Good morning! Welcome back to my kitchen. I have a sweet and protein-filled breakfast for you to start your day off right. Like everything I cook, as I add ingredients here, you can watch the calories count up in this corner, and you can watch interesting tidbits about each ingredient in this corner. So let's start off with some berries. These are frozen blueberries. We're going for a cup here. Delicious, right? So far, so good. And on top of my berries, I'm going to add half a cup of black bean.
Beans for breakfast? No!
Yes, beans. Because not only are beans high in fiber and protein, they also slow down or mute the blood sugar spike from this meal and the next one. I know it sounds weird, but give it a try. You might really like it. Now I'm gonna microwave this for about 3 minutes. Now we've got this hot, wonderfully steamy, warm breakfast. It doesn't smell like beans, only I can smell the blueberries. So now we're gonna add a base. I'm gonna add some almond butter. This is where most people go wrong. They add like a huge dollop. This is 1 tablespoon of almond butter and it's about 100 calories. Okay, the next delicious ingredient is elderberry syrup. The elderberry syrup that I make has elderberries, honey, and a bunch of herbs and spices that help fight colds and flus. So if you'd like to learn how to make that, check out this link from a video I did last year. And if you don't have the elderberry syrup, try agave or honey or maple syrup instead. This just adds so much flavor and it gives this dish so much spunk. Nutritarians don't really eat cereal. So on mornings that I'm looking for something quick that feels good to eat on a spoon, this is my go-to. All right, so I've got my beans, berries, and a nice creamy base. Do you see that? So delicious. Okay, now toppings. To top my breakfast, I'm gonna put in some coconut. This is unsweetened coconut, about a tablespoon or 2. I'm gonna add in some flaxseed. I'm putting in about a tablespoon of flaxseed on the top of my breakfast. And I'm going to add elm tree seeds. This is the time of year right now in March and early April that you can get elm seeds right off of the elm trees. They're delicious. But of course, if you don't have elm samaras, which I realize most people don't, a 1/4 cup to a 1/3 cup of oats would be wonderful. These are just dry rolled old-fashioned oats. Ta-da! That's it. It took me like 5 minutes to put that together tops. It's delicious. It's gonna fill my belly. It's gonna help me get to the next meal without spiking my blood sugar. Thank you for giving beans for breakfast a try. Let me know what you think about beans for breakfast in the comments of this video. There's lots of things that you can choose to eat for breakfast tomorrow, but not all of them do a body good. So every time that you have a chance to load up your spoon, remember to choose freedom.
Ooh, beans. I like beans. Ow.